Welcome to the Forex Random Trader 2022 and beyond. Let's go to the charts. As you can see in the trade window, yesterday's trade went into profit. Let's look at the account history real quick. And it was AUDNZD. It was a sell trade. I set the take profit and it exactly did that. You can see it over here in the comments. The TP indication $16.04. That was a random trade. What's interesting, let's go back and do a quick analysis.
Now, after watching this random Forex trading series, I hope you understand that if manual trading can be profitable randomly, imagine getting access to an automated trading system which sends profitable trades to your account daily, all on autopilot. If you are ready to stop trading manually and automate your Forex profits even as a prop firm trader, check the link in the description area below or simply visit FXwithTerrycom for full details. Now, back to the video.
This is something that is just always so obvious. I'm big on the concept that Forex is random. However, there are some obvious patterns that happen over and over and over again. And although I don't believe they're necessarily something to base all of your trading on, there are some things that are a sure thing. So we took the trade yesterday somewhere in about the middle of what we're looking at here. This is the 15-minute chart on the AUDNZD. However, remember, as I zoomed in and zoomed out, I said, I'm going to set my take profit down here at the bottom of this really huge candle, because typically, whenever the price is pushed that far, the bank or a hedge fund or someone's working together to dump a lot of money into the market. And ultimately, and this is just called smart money concepts, bankers concept, whatever you want to call it, typically what happens is when they push the price up like that, it has to retrace back to its original price, or the bank, the institution, is losing a lot of money, potentially in a loss, or they're certainly in a lot of drawdown. Millions, billions, trillions of dollars of drawdown, let's say. Again, just a concept, and none of what I'm saying is definite, but it certainly is a good concept. So I set the take profit around this level where that big push started. And in fact, look, if I actually put my crosshairs on it, look, the price came back to that and even went farther. Is that always going to happen? Of course not. But predominantly, most of the time that's going to happen. That's why I did that. Now, here's what's cool about it. If it didn't happen, big deal. The trade would have went against us. We would have recovered it. I didn't have to on this one. I was literally setting my take profit at just the most obvious area. If you would like to follow the Random Trader live and watch all of my trades in real time on your mobile device, tablet, or desktop PC, you can do so completely for free. I give you direct access to all of the account login details at FXwithTerry.com/account login, and you'll find a direct link in the description below. So get access, download the app or the software, and follow the Random Trader live right on your mobile device. So let's go ahead and randomize our next trade and enter. Here's my currency pair list. Let's copy it, go to random.org, list randomizer, paste it into the box, and we will randomize and choose our next trade. GBP Chief buy. GBP CHF buy. Let's go to the charts. I'll open the market watch here, looking for GBP Chief. Drag it onto the current chart. We said buy. I'm going to drop down the trade window and I'm going to hit buy. So we are in a GBP Chief buy trade. And let's take a look. Obviously, the 15-minute chart is headed down. Let's go up to the higher time frame, 4-hour. I'm going to zoom in just a little bit here, and current last 4-hour candle is coming down, so that may be a positive in our direction. I'm going to come back to the 15-minute chart here, and let's go ahead and set our take profit. Let me zoom out and see if there's any previous major structure. So if I analyze on the 15-minute chart here, there's really not any structure that I could set my take profit on, other than maybe in the middle here where the price is just going sideways. So let's do that. Let's go ahead and drag this up to about the middle right there. And let's see, that would be $60.26. I'm going to go ahead and leave it there. Let's see what happens. Here we are. It's the end of the week. It's Friday. The market's going to close in about 5 or 6 hours. Let's just go ahead and leave it there. And we'll take a look at this random trade and what's going to happen in the next episode. Thanks for watching. I'll see you then.
If you are enjoying the Random Forex Trader video series and you are beginning to see the power of creating profits in the Forex market, it's even easier to get all of my daily profitable Forex trades sent directly to your MT4 account, freeing you up from complex trade entry strategies, and you can get your share of the automated Forex profits. Check the link in the description area below or simply visit FXwithTerry.com for full details. Now, back to the video. Thanks for watching this episode of the Forex Random Trader. Be sure to subscribe and stay up to date on the Forex Random Trader series success. Leave a comment and like below to be entered to win the copy trade service free for life. And visit FXwithTerry.com for more. I'll see you in the next episode.